Today we'll be showing you how Cougar Strong Racing runs our Green Power program. Now let's dive into the 999 Oxford Green Prix presentation.
My name is Lucy Marie and I'm the team manager for the 999 team. My job is to ensure the team is functioning at a championship level to meet our goals.
My name is Preston. I'm the pit crew chief for 999. I make sure the F24 is prepped and ready for races and that my pit crew is ready for any problems that may occur. If there are any problems, we diagnose and fix them so we can get back on the track.
My name is Clint. I'm the assistant pit crew chief for 999. My job is to assist the pit crew with any task at hand and take charge of the pit crew if the pit crew chief is gone.
I am Owen and I am part of the pit crew for 999. I work on the F24 car and I help fix problems that need to be solved.
I am Miles and I'm on the pit crew and also the backup driver. As a member of the pit crew, I am responsible for keeping the car in healthy condition and diagnosing and fixing any problems with the car. If anything happens to the three drivers and prevents them from driving, I fill in their spot as the alternate.
I'm Drew and I'm one of the drivers for the 999 team. I have to start out the race, try my best to get the most laps, and protect the car.
I'm Caroline and I'm the second driver for our team. My goal is to improve our track position and set up our final driver for success.
My name is Lillian and I'm the final driver. I'm the one that crosses the finish line every race. I try to maintain my line and avoid wrecks at all costs.
I'm Braylon. I'm the data manager for 999. During race heats, I track lap times and pit stops. We log this information into our spreadsheet so that we can analyze our performance and look for ways that we can improve. We can also look back on this information to help make decisions next season.
My name is Blaine. I'm the pit manager on the 999 team. I'll organize the pit and keep it clean for our team.
My name is Kate, and I'm a social media manager for 999. I post things on social media to showcase our team and showcase this amazing program.
Hi, my name is Yosgar. I am the trailer manager and the GoPro manager. I ensure the packing of the trailer and that the GoPros are ready for each race.
This year our program has been extremely successful with sponsorships and fundraising. These funds are not only enough to comfortably cover all three teams in our program, but it also provides funds to the beginning of next year.
Our primary source of income was our sponsorship program. We brought in 29 sponsors with Trackmobile at our platinum level, $2,500, and 6 gold sponsors, which is $1,000.
The majority of our expenses this year come from car expenses and travel. While our car expenses budget covers the worst case scenarios for all three of our cars, it is unlikely that we will use all of these funds.
Previously, travel expenses have been a greater percentage of our budget, but recently we have had more local racing opportunities that do not require an overnight stay.
For the Got Your Back t-shirt fundraiser, team members sell 10 spots on the back of their unique t-shirt for $20 each, which brings in $200. The cost of the shirt is typically around $20, which leaves $180 profit from each team member.
Our primary idea for fundraising is our annual sponsors luncheon. First, we feed our guests a delicious lunch, then we shared our excitement about the Green Power program, what we learned and how it can possibly impact our future. Then we give them a tour of our race lab and present an opportunity for them to sponsor our program. This year we brought in several sponsors from our luncheon at a variety of levels in our program.
The way our sponsorship program works is there are 5 levels. The more money you give, the more benefits you receive.
The Cougar Strong Racing marketing strategy is to provide value to sponsors through advertising their business using our social media platforms, our website, sponsorship logos on all 3 of our cars, and our team apparel. We want our sponsors to see that we aren't just looking for their money, we want to be able to give back as well.
We supplemented our sponsors of the fundraiser with our Got Your Back t-shirt fundraiser. Each of the 41 team members in our program brought in $160 profit, totaling $6,500.
This is the Cougar Strong Racing 999 F24 race car. The 999 car has been racing for 5 seasons.
The 999 F24 is easily recognizable with its eye-catching graphics that feature our team sponsors. The car runs on a 24-volt Green Power USA motor, which is powered by 2 12-volt batteries wired in series. The car's body panels are made out of coroplast, and the nose cone is 16 inches long with a 1.5-inch rise.
One design choice the team had to think about is the nose cone length. We settled on 16-inch length, 4-inch height, and 1.5-inch rise from the bottom for clearance.
There are many different body panel materials that can be used. Originally, this car featured aluminum body panels, which looked great, but they were heavy. This year, we chose coroplast because it is lightweight, inexpensive, and easy to work with.
One of the performance enhancements was the throttle switch. Originally, our car had a button, but our drivers experienced thumb fatigue, so we changed it to the throttle switch because it was easier to hold and it helps the drivers not to let go while driving.
We also changed the steering wheel for enhanced driver comfort. It improved our racing ability so we could use our shoulders and not our wrist and forearms.
We redesigned the seats with aluminum for weight reduction, which makes the car lighter, requires less energy, and improves our endurance.
Originally, the horn button was on the dash, so the drivers had to let off the steering wheel to honk the horn. We saw this as a safety issue, so we moved it to the steering wheel. It allows the drivers to keep their hands on the steering wheel while using the horn button.
On October 1st, we attended the Inspire Academy 400 in Lafayette, Alabama. This was the season opener for this season. In Heat 1, we came in second place with 65 laps. In the second heat, we got first place with 72 laps. We scored a perfect 100 on the in-person presentation, resulting in an overall score of 99 and a first place overall win.
On November 4th, 2022, we attended the Cougar Green Prix in Oxford, Alabama. This was the second race of the 2022-23 season. The first heat was very successful with a total of 35 laps and we placed first. The second heat was even more successful with a total of 36 laps and also achieving first place. With a 99.33 presentation score, our overall score was a 99, which proceeded to be an excellent second race of the season.
On December 10th, we took part in the F24 Santa Sprints in Columbus, Georgia. The first heat, we logged 76 laps, tying the track record and resulting in a first place finish. Our second heat was equally as successful with another 76 laps, finishing 11 laps ahead of the second place team. We had the highest team video presentation score of all teams competing, including the high school teams. We also placed first in the endurance race, resulting in a first place overall finish with a perfect 100 event score. So we finished the first half of the season with overall event scores of a 99, 99, and 100, which has us sitting in first place for the Modified Division National Points Standing.
Thank you for viewing our 999 presentation. We'll see you at the finish line.